Now we are going to program your LED to blink based on the program from before. If you haven't watched the previous video, please be sure to watch it before watching this one. This video will teach you about repeats by using the forever block to make your program repeat forever. First, click on Control in the command palette, then drag the wait block to the script field. Connect it to the blocks of your last LED program. Right-click on the LED block and click Duplicate in the menu. This will duplicate the block. Now connect the block to the bottom of the wait block, just like this. Next, drag the forever block from the control palette and use it to enclose your program in the script field. Make sure the block encloses the whole program. Click on the triangle on the bottom LED block and choose Off. Now you have programmed your LED to blink every second indefinitely. This program tells the LED to turn on, wait 1 second, and then to turn off the LED, wait 1 second again, and repeat this forever. Use a USB cable to connect your Studino to your PC. Now click on Edit, then Transfer to transfer your program. The LED will automatically start to blink once every second once the transfer finishes. The next step would be setting a specific number of blinks. Click on the next video to see how to program.